This is a quick video going through the initial startup of the Hoffmann PP2-NCF Dovetail routing machine. I've turned on the main power on the electrical cabinet. The computer is booting up, the screen is coming to life, and as soon as we have the screen up, the first step is a homing sequence or a reference to make sure that the machine is ready to operate. Here we are, we press the green start button on the control panel, and we do get a warning message that we need to do our reference. There is a blue field here. Push that button and the warning message is gone. The machine's ready to go. You can, at this point, you'll see that you cannot enter any information in terms of keyway location or routing height, because the default setting for the user is your password level 0, so you cannot enter anything. If you get in there and go in with the universal password, which gets you down to level 4, now the fields are open, and for the first keyway location you can simply enter the distance from the tip of the miter to the center of the keyway. Say 23.5 millimeters. Your routing height 15.8, and so on. For the second and the third, if you have smaller material, you only need 2 keyways. It's important that you set the third field to 0 or the second field to 0 if you don't need it. Otherwise the machine will move over and complete that routing sequence even though you don't need it. Once that is done, the next step is you place your material in the machine, lower the hold-down clamps to within 1/8 of an inch above the material, and pressing the foot switch will activate the clamps. And now the white light came on, and that is your start button. At this point, you just press start. You do not need to hold the material. You do not need to wait for it. You simply press start. The horizontal axis as well as the vertical up and down axis, you see the current locations as it moves up and down. The machine will give you little indication fields here of what it's doing at any given point. Once the last keyway has been routed, the routers return down below the table, move back to their starting position, the clamps release, you can take the material out.